Hey guys, still here at Copart. That's right. Still filming the crap out of everything, and there's so much. I'm getting tired from walking around because there's so many cars here. And it just takes you forever to see all the inventory. And I know I can be gone for a couple of days, and there'll be a whole bunch of new ones that come in. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. And look up Copart. You know, I mean, they got a lot of nice vehicles here. Even in Pennsylvania, all that. Pennsylvania's nearby. You know, with them there, you don't have to be a dealer in order to, to bid on their cars. Here in New York, you do have to be a dealer, in order to bid on a vehicle and purchase it. I'm not a dealer, but with Copart, they do allow me, since I do the filming, to walk around and film the vehicles and put them on the internet. It helps them out. So I'm going to show you guys some more on my way out, and hopefully you'll see something that you really like, and I'll try and document it. Go on Copart's website, do some bidding, and good luck. A lot of these ones over here are common. And like I said, you will find ones. I mean, on their website, it is pretty descriptive of what's wrong with it. You know, some of them are biohazard. I'm sure they will let you know that. Here's a bigger Mercedes truck. And yeah, that looks like a tree. Or a telephone pole. I don't know. I mean, I don't see any. Was that wood? No, it's just rust. This one got hit pretty hard. 2008. Windows, I don't know if they're just blown out or. Who's that? Pizza delivery guy. Or maybe it was the owners. Yeah. Up. My battery's starting to die here, so I'm going to try and shoot this as much as I can before my battery dies on me. I don't know, it's cigars, or I don't know what the heck that is. Somebody must have had like a Bluetooth or something in there that it went to, I don't know. Oh, Dodge caliper, another one. 2008. Can't even see anything in it. If it's stick shift or not. Smacked in the rear end. Try and film more of these as much as I can here on the way out before my battery decides to cut off on me and I don't know it. I'll be wandering around talking. Somebody was trying to sell this. In search of 30. I don't know. Oh, a hotel van. Operated by him for an airport taste hotel. 2013. Yeah, they got smacked pretty good. Yep, there's the head mark. Sold! Oh, somebody bought it. Biohazard and hitting the rear end. An older X5, I think this is. And it's got 204,000 miles on it. It might be cheap if it still runs. It's an old X5, depending on what motor's in it. What was that, 4.4 or something like that, the V8. Yeah, 4.4. But if somebody loves it enough, they'll buy it. You never know, it might have been maintained and that's it. Can't even get the door open. See if we can get to the other side. Maybe the keys are in it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it smells like an old BMW. But they're still nice trucks. I would own one. I would. They're definitely nice. Nice little truck. I don't know if it runs and drives. I have to try and take a look and see if it says that. I think they do say on there run and drive maybe. D for drive maybe. Yeah. Somebody will take her home. I mean, it's in nice shape. It's not rusted. It's got the mileage on it, but I mean, it looks like it was kept up. You know, it is what cars keep them up though. Run a long time. Okay, this one's seen better days. When I got hit the first time, that should have been a sign of let me go. Yeah, if I'm right, this one probably had the North Star motor in it. Yeah, 2005. Older Cadillac. They were nice when they came out, but the North Star motor, just a lot of head gasket problems. That's the only downfall to them, but people still loved them and drove them. You know? Yeah, another Hyundai right here. Hitting the rear end. I mean, it's all-wheel drive. It's a little more than I thought. Walk around the other side, the fender's gone. Looks like somebody took it off. I don't know. Yeah, little Buick. If I'm right, this is fairly new too. 2015, yeah. 15, I mean, it's 4.5 years old, and it's only got 37,000 mileage on it. For mileage, I mean, the average mileage is 12 to 15,000 a year, so under the mileage. It's a shame it got smacked in the rear end. It's like King Kong punched it. Yeah, whoever owned it smoked and smell it. Yeah, because they had their cigarette lighter hanging right there. How convenient. Definitely a girl, because there's the hair ties, the elastic ones. And my wife had a ton of those. Yeah, not a bad little car. Smacked in the rear end pretty good, but what are you gonna do? Start making my way out of here. I mean, this is very, this is a good sized lot here. I mean, like I said, there's quite a few sections of it. Don't tell me that just came in. It's a Dodge Ram. Another biohazard. Ugh. Yeah, it's got a sticker on it. I think this one just came in. Maybe it was a recovered theft or something. I don't know. Got some dents on it. That fucking truck. Yeah. I don't know what year it is, but it doesn't look old. I mean, I know they're not done with it, so I'm not going to try and touch it. Yeah. 1500 Hemi, 5.7 liter. Yeah, all leather interior. Big moonroof in it. Panoramic sunroof, I guess you call them. Wow. Here's some of them when they come in. Good lord. Some of them are a mess. They just come in with forks and they just drop them on the ground. Wow. See if I can get a glimpse of it. If I can really quick. Yeah. And that's how bad that is. Oof. That car smacked on both sides too. Front and rear. Yeah, an older Honda Accord. I used to like these ones back in the day. They're nice little cars. Nice sporty little thing. Automatic. Can't remember what year. Till 2001. Not bad at all. Jeep Liberty. Yeah, all sorts of stuff here. Yeah, you can, like I said, Honda CRV. See if I can get a couple more in here. All-wheel drive. I think I might have looked at this one. It's the way the frame rails are. They just bend down. Trying to see what year it is. 2016. Not really old. Every time I see that frame rail like that, I always think it's bent down. But it's not, just the way it's designed. Smells new. They kept them nice and clean. Yep, sorry, I lost part of the picture there. My battery's telling me it's getting really low, so I'm going to try and run my battery here as much as I can. I want to get as much footage as I can. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to call it quits on this one. My battery doesn't seem to like me, so, I mean, I've recorded a lot. Hit up my, look, I'm sorry, I'm getting tired. A lot of walking, a lot of cardio. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. Hit up Copart, go on their website, bid on them. Like I said, in New York, you got to be a dealer in order to purchase them, but in Pennsylvania, everywhere else that I know of, you don't have to. So until then, look them up. Got some beautiful cars. A lot of them you can put back together or get yourself some really good parts. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.